Alright, this is a demo of a buffer overflow attack. Um, so I have this code here. We call a function called f, um, and it prints out some stuff and returns. And we also have this function that never gets called, um, but we're going to call it anyway. Uh, so we're going to compile TBD, and we're going to turn off the stack protector so that it doesn't generate any cookies to detect stack smashing. And then to run it, we have to disable the randomizer, the address randomizer. Otherwise, we won't be able to predict where the function that we want to call where it's going to be in virtual memory. So okay. And I have this printf to print out the location of TBD just so I can do this. Okay, so now we can go ahead and overwrite the return address. And if I remember correctly, it's 8 bytes after the buffer. Don't know why that is, don't know what's between it. It's like 2 integers or something, maybe. I don't know. Doesn't really matter for this demo. Alright, so since we have this address, we can go ahead and convert it to binary. Luckily, most of these are the same value, nice and convenient. And then we're going to send that to xxd, which you normally use to view hex of a binary, but we're going to do the opposite. We're going to take hex and turn it back into binary. And we need -p because otherwise it doesn't do anything. It just means plain. I don't know why that needs to be included. But here we go. We can see that the address didn't change. And, you know, we have this, is the buffer long enough to hold all this garbage? No, it's not. And instead of returning to the main function, we go to TBD, which then says all these moments will be lost in time like tears in rain, time to die, and then we segfault. So we called a function that was never, you could say we called a function that was never actually called in the code. And then I guess it tried to return to somewhere it wasn't allowed to. And this should still work, right, without this printf. So if I recompile this, yeah, okay. So with this printf removed, this code is not modified at all from but we exploit this buffer overflow. And you wouldn't need this printf either to actually do this, as long as you could run it with a debugger. You could figure out the address, and then without any stack cookies and without address randomization, you'd be able to do this in a real world scenario. So, here's a demo. Thanks for watching.